Snails are slow because they have heavy shells. Starfish are cool because starfish have stomach. And lay 100 eggs in one time. These are cool because they can swim and catch bread at the same time. Cool because they can change their shell. Butterflies because butterflies are beautiful. It's cool because snakes can born in. And cool because birds can fly. I like rocks because rocks can climb. The whale is cool because they have a blowhole. Sharks are cool because sharks can suck blood. Bears are cool because bears are fluffy. Cats are cool because cats can run very fast and jump very high. I like dolphins because they can jump and twist. I like grasshoppers because grasshoppers can sing. Dogs are cool because they can play. Are cool because they can make a whip. Hamsters are cool because they have cheap pouches.